Tired of waiting until payday to enjoy the things you need? You're not alone. Millions of people are turning to early wage access apps like Beforepay to bridge the gap between paychecks. But how do you actually get approved for these services? Stick around, because in this video, we're breaking down the exact steps and tips to increase your chances of getting that green light. Imagine this: it's Friday night, you're craving pizza, but your bank account is looking a little bare. You're not going to let a few days stand between you and a delicious pie, are you? That's where Beforepay comes in. It allows you to access a portion of your earned wages early, giving you the financial flexibility you need to cover unexpected expenses, treat yourself, or simply avoid those pesky overdraft fees. But here's the catch: not everyone gets approved for these early wage access services. There are certain factors that these companies consider when making their decision. So, let's dive into the key things that influence your approval chances. 1. Employment status and income. The most crucial factor is your employment status. Beforepay typically requires you to be employed with a consistent income stream. This could be a full-time, part-time, or even a gig economy job. The stability of your income is also important. Consistent paychecks from the same employer demonstrate a reliable income source. 2. Bank account information. You'll need an active bank account to link to your Beforepay account. This is where your earned wages will be deposited and where you'll receive your early wage access funds. Ensure your bank account is in good standing with no history of overdrafts or suspicious activity. 3. Employment history. Beforepay may consider your employment history, looking for factors like length of time at your current job, past employment history, job stability. A longer and more stable employment history generally increases your chances of approval. 4. Credit history may or may not be a factor. While some early wage access providers may consider your credit history, others may not. If credit is considered, a good credit score can improve your chances of approval and potentially unlock higher access limits. However, even with a less than perfect credit score, you may still be eligible. 5. The Beforepay app itself. Once you download the Beforepay app, you'll be guided through the application process. Provide accurate and complete information in the application. Follow the instructions carefully and ensure all required documents are uploaded correctly. Tips to increase your chances. Here are a few extra tips to boost your approval odds. Maintain a consistent work schedule. Avoid excessive overdrafts in your bank account. Ensure your contact information is up to date. Read the Beforepay terms and conditions carefully. Some people may have concerns about the cost of using early wage access services. Beforepay typically charges a small fee for each early wage access. It's crucial to understand the fee structure before making a decision. Compare the fees of different providers to find the most cost-effective option for you. Getting approved for Beforepay can provide much-needed financial flexibility. By understanding the key factors that influence your approval chances and following the tips we've discussed, you can increase your likelihood of accessing your earned wages early. Remember to always use early wage access services responsibly and only borrow what you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy saving.